They built their towers out of loopholes and gold, wrote their stories in the lies they sold. But you can't fence truth, it don't behave. It's the ghost that sings from a worker's grave. Now the street lights hum and the people rise, with liberty's echo under blood-red skies. They say, keep quiet, stay in your zone, but we tuned our hearts to a different tone. And buddy, when the chorus starts to rage, it shakes the keys right off the cage. The sound of freedom rattles golden cages. It scares the kings and their PR pages. It's maple roots through marble stages. No crowns allowed, we're turning the pages. On the floor, sell salvation, but they're keeping the door. They pray to profit, tax the pain, kiss the ring, then curse the rain. But every spark from a rebel's rhyme is a freedom bell ringing right on time. Marching boots and pickup choirs fuel this fight with truth and wires. The microphones hum like electric fires, and tyrants flinch when hope inspires. The sound of freedom rattles golden cages. No kings, no crowns, just open stages. Elbows up through the ages, singing loud, shake their wages. 'Cause the truth still rocks, the lies still fall, and liberty's song belongs to all. No kings, no crowns, no fear. Turn it up, they can hear it clear. From Liberty Street to every nation, freedom's the loudest vibration.